Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to farm netherite in Minecraft. Netherite is a highly sought after material used to upgrade diamond gear. Here's how to efficiently farm netherite. Firstly, prepare your tools like diamond, beds or TNT, armor, fire resistance potions, blocks and food. Now, build a nether portal using obsidian and flint and steel. Travel into the nether to begin your search. Ancient debris used to craft netherite is most abundant at the Y level 15. Use coordinates like F3 on PC or settings on console to find the correct depth. Beds explode in the nether when you try to sleep, making them a cheap excavation tool. Dig a tunnel at Y15 and place a bed in the end of the tunnel, leaving a safe distance. Attempt to sleep, causing the bed to explode and expose ancient debris. Just be cautious of lava flows and fire caused by explosions. You have TNT explosion method, which is dig a straight tunnel, place a TNT and light the TNT. And strip mining method. It's slow but requires no explosive. Mine long, horizontal tunnels at Y15 and create branches of the main tunnel to maximize exposed blocks. You now collect the debris and craft them and upgrade your weapons. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.